Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you 5 quick ways to boost your English vocabulary and sound more fluent. Let's get started. Tip number 1, learn synonyms for common words. Instead of saying good all the time, try fantastic, wonderful, or excellent. Instead of bad, say terrible, awful, or dreadful. By using different words, you'll make your English sound more colorful and interesting. Tip number 2, learn word families. When you learn a new word, also learn its related forms. For example, from the word create, you can learn creation, creative, and creator. This way, you expand your vocabulary quickly while understanding how words are connected. Tip number 3, read as much as you can. Dive into different genres and topics. Books, articles, blogs, anything you like. The more diverse your reading material, the better. When you read, you naturally come across new words. This exposure is invaluable. Make a habit of noting down new vocabulary and looking up their meanings. This practice will expand your lexicon. Reading helps you see how words are used in context, which is crucial for grasping their nuances. Understanding and remembering them becomes easier. So immerse yourself in the world of words and let your vocabulary grow. Tip number 4, use flashcards to memorize new words. Flashcards are a great way to review vocabulary regularly. You can make physical cards or use apps like Anki or Quizlet to quiz yourself on the go. Repetition is key to remembering new words. Tip number 5, use new words in conversation. It's a great way to expand your vocabulary and make your speech more interesting. It's not enough to just learn new words. You need to use them. Practice makes perfect. Challenge yourself to use one new word every day in a sentence or conversation. This will help you remember the word and understand its context better. The more you use a word, the faster it becomes a part of your vocabulary. Over time, you'll find yourself using these new words naturally and effortlessly. So let's recap the key points we've covered so far in this journey to enhance your English vocabulary. First, learn synonyms for common words to diversify your language. Second, use word families to understand related words better. Third, read as much as you can to expose yourself to new words in context. Fourth, memorize vocabulary with the help of flashcards for better retention. Fifth, actively use new words in your daily conversations to reinforce your learning and make them a natural part of your speech. By following these tips consistently, you will find yourself expanding your English vocabulary faster than you ever thought possible. Keep practicing and stay motivated. Thanks for watching! If these tips helped you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more vocabulary and language learning tips. Let me know in the comments. What's a new word you've learned recently? See you in the next video. Subscribe for more tips to boost your English skills.